Good morning. The unit 1, the introduction topic is financial system concepts. Under financial system concepts, we have to discuss what is finance and what is financial market and what is financial institution and what is financial services. If you talk about finance, finance is the lifeblood of the every business organization, whether it may be sole trading business organization or partnership business organization or company form of business organization. The finance in the literal meaning is it is called as a money. But the question is why it called as a finance? Finance means the commercial term of money is known as finance. Means if the money is used in a business activity or only the gaining of profit or loss or to acquiring some of the profit or to incur loss, that is called as a finance. It may be called as fund, it may be called as capital. Capital means it is used for the sole trading also, company form also, and also partnership form also. Capital means in the company form there are different forms of capitals are there, whether it is equity capital, whether it is borrowed capital, whatever it may be. Finance means it is a need for a corporate body. Without finance, the business cannot run, or without finance, it cannot incur for a smoothness of the business. Even if finance is required for the development, so that the term is called financial development. It means the process of creation and improvement in the financial structure. Financial development means it is improvement of financial structure, means financial institutions and financial markets and services. My dear students, it means finance and financial development are two sides of a one coin. If you talk about financial development, it means financial institution, financial markets and financial services. First of all, as our subject is known as financial institution and financial market and services, first of all we know about what is financial institutions. Institutions means it is a body. Institution means it is a one house, it may be a financial house. Institution means you may call it as a commercial bank, you may call it as a investment banks, you may call it as any of the brokerage firms, or institution means you may call it as insurance companies, or in a broader sense you may also call it as it is a asset management company also. But financial institution means it is a bridge gap between consumer and the capital or debt market which providing finance. Providing means providing by the banks, provided by the investment services. Financial institutions, the major role is to provide loans and acceptance deposits and investments. If you talk about another terminology is financial market, the market is a place where two parties are involved for the transaction. The question is, market is a place and transaction, it means the goods and service exchange with cash or on credit is called as a transaction. Means in a particular place there are two persons are involved, two parties are involved. One is buyer, another one is seller. If these two parties are not come together, the sale or purchase cannot be carried out properly. My dear students, it is a place where individuals are involved in different kinds of financial transactions. Kinds of financial transaction we have to later on discuss. This place or this market is also called as financial market. It is a platform where buyers and sellers involved in purchase or selling their financial products. It is a broader sense we have to discuss. It means financial product means shares, bonds, mutual funds and some of the innovative products. What are these innovative products? In the unit 2 and 3 and 4 we have to discuss in later stage. But the question is, financial market means it is a place where the buying and selling of financial products can be carried out. And another topic is financial services. What is financial services? It is a service or it is a way of providing service to the financial market. And financial services are comprises with the NBFCs, cooperative banks, pension funds, mutual funds and any of the smaller financial entities. It means how to manage the funds. Manage the funds by the individuals, manage the funds by the corporations or corporate bodies or high net worth individuals. How these funds are to be managed, how these are to be well pre-planned way to invest in the financial market. So far as are concerned, financial services are the backbone of the economic growth and development of the nation. Next, my dear students, if we go through the services, the financial services are maybe investment oriented, maybe promotion oriented, maybe income oriented, maybe trade oriented, maybe credit oriented and maybe it is a facilitator, so that it is a bridge gap between the two parties. If you deep go through the financial services industry, you know Punjab National Housing Finance Corporation Limited, they only provides housing finance. Aditya Birla, HDFC, Bajaj Finserv, which is providing all the vehicle loans. Reliance Capital, which provide mutual funds. Relingary, which provides health services as well as mutual funds. Cholamandalam Finance, which provide also a different gold loans to any other type of short term loans. L&T Finance and Bajaj Capital, SBI Capital Market Limited, Muthoot Finance and Motiwal Oswal and UTI. These are the financial services industries, and they can promote the financial products, and they can ways and means of innovative way through the accepting or providing different types of financial services to the customers as well as corporate bodies. Next topic is financial instruments. Instrument means products. Financial instruments are the component, one of an important component of a financial system. Product, it means it is a financial asset, means securities, other types of financial instruments. There are different wide range of financial instruments are there. Everybody knows shares, bonds, debentures. If you talk about hybrid financial products, there are new type of products are there which we have to discuss in later stage. But the question is, the need of investor and credit seekers are importantly based upon the financial instruments. Some of the financial products which incur regular income, a regular amount of income can be generated, or the sum of the financial products, it is a long term products which carries a incurring income in later stage also. My dear students, today the particular class we have to discuss financial products and financial instruments and financial services. If you talk about these type of things, it can be regulated by the one of different types of market regulators. That is called as a regulatory framework and securities market legislations in India. Regulator means who can regulate these financial products? Who are the parties involved to regulate the financial market? Who are the persons involved with these regulate the financial services industry? Means artificial person. The regulators are Securities Contracts Regulation Act 1956. Later on, it is amended SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India Act 1992, Depository Act 1996, Companies Act 2013, and Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, and lastly the Indian Banking Laws 1949 Act, which is amended in different stages in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. For these are the acts, these are the regulatory, these are the bodies, some of the bodies are involved with the financial markets. And lastly, today's class only discussion regarding financial market, financial institution and financial services. And later on we have to, in the next class we have to discuss regarding concepts. Thank you. If any question you can ask me.